So this is the learnings code which I want to go through quickly. Actually, if you see, I have imported this thing. This was I have already shown in the last assignment also. So this is the component which I am using, only one component you can see here. Okay, and let's start from this place. Now I am showing the questions. So questions is nothing for this, so it will not display anything. So this is the placeholder and this is the input type text which we have put as his introduction, and then assistant introduction. I have teached something to assistant, like this information I have taught, and then the user query wherein we are asking whatever questions we have. So as soon as user does this, when it clicks on generate text, it goes to here, calls the async call, then sends again to this one, create completion method of OpenAPI. I am using the model text DaVinci 002. I am passing the prompt, whatever user is typing. After that, typing means whatever information I need to send, all three parameters, this system, this assistant, and then user query. Then only he will understand and respond. Okay. So every time you will have to pass all these three fields in order to get the information from OpenAI. And then I am getting this response, and I am setting this response so that, using this use state variable, set generated text. I will show you what it is doing. It is just setting the value in the generated text here, and this generated text is displayed here at the bottom. Here, this is the generated text. So you got the logic, right? I am sending these three information to Chatgpt API, create completion API, and it will respond me this one based on some calculation, because what it does is it analyzes whatever I have given him as a system, then whatever I have given him as assistant, and then what is the user query, accordingly he will respond. Okay, so every time it will analyze everything. So you understand, like, it is not that if I am changing the user query, I will only send the user query to OpenAPI. No, this is wrong. I have to send all three items every time. Okay, so this was the learnings and teaching kind of mechanism. See wherever you can use this use case and integrate into your website or mobile application whenever. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay in tune.